Good day, this is Attila Kovács from GTC News Daily Trade the Facts in 2018, February the 12th. This week's inflation data will draw a clean picture for the global financial markets, with the US, the UK and Germany all set to release CPI numbers. As it seems, the central banks will not go easy with their policies and will raise rates at a faster pace than it is currently predicted due to a pickup in inflation with the global bond market sell-off these days, with yields in the US, Europe and Asia all aiming higher. Japan is to publish preliminary data for fourth quarter economic growth. We are looking for further marks on the strength of the economy and clues on when the Bank of Japan will start withdrawing its stimulus. Australia is to publish the closely watched employment report, which could define how wage growth is at the moment, and we will see how the inflation is making shape. Broadcom has secured as much as $100 billion of debt financing for its attempted takeover for Qualcomm. A dozen banks have agreed to provide the commitment credit facilities, including a $5 billion revolver and bridge financing firm. Locking down funding for the deal would remove a major question mark over the hostile bid, which, if successful, would be the biggest technology takeover ever. The semiconductor companies plan to meet this Wednesday to talk about the offer, the first time they will discuss the potential deal. After its earnings release, NVidia's rating went sky high, and it is for good reasons. The company has proven business is not all about cryptocurrencies. Its price target is up with an average of 27%. It is our beliefs that it's positive again or strongly overweight and negatives after the earnings report, and its upside potential could persist. NVIDIA continues to see automotive wins with new partners, and the Drive platform now is in use by more than 320 companies and researchers. The broad-based selling in equities in the US and across global markets has created a few headaches, but it's also swept some individual stocks back to levels where we should start considering to pick one or the other. While the roller coaster rides for major indices, commodities and treasury yields may not be over, there are all types of events on this week's calendar poised to keep stock pickers busy. Keep an eye on the action and follow us for the best clues. Our daily peek has the First Data Corporation for you. It is releasing its earnings report today. We are looking forward to it, while the Caterpillar can get some of the upside by the new infrastructure plans. The Goldman Sachs Tech Conference is about to kick off this week. The Microsoft is one to reckon with. The annual Energy Summit by Credit Suisse also starts this week. The British Petrol and the RDSA could be those to keep an eye on. Many datas are coming this week, mostly inflation and rate hike related. The pairs, the forex pairs, are showing directions, so be patient and go with the flow. The euro dollar repeated Thursday's session. We can see how important the 1.22 level is going to be. We are still looking at 1.21 as the floor. The pair looks bullish with 125 as its target. The pound dollar will possibly pull back to 1.365 as it is a major support. Wait till we get there if you want to go long. If we break about 140, we are heading to 143, still no interest in selling the pair. The dollar yen has moved around on Friday. 107.5 is still holding the pair. The consolidation continues with the fact that buyers keep coming in. The pair is heading to 110 as the US stock market price is recovering. We might see great bullish pressure on the pair these days. Don't forget, our services are going to be available soon only for our subscribers. To subscribe, go to GTC.news. This was Attila Kovács from GTC News Daily Trade with the facts in 2018, February the 12th.